Which input type is used for email? Option A, less than input type equals text, greater than option B, less than input type equals mail, greater than option C, less than input type equals email, greater than option D, less than input type equals address, greater than. The correct option C, less than input type equals email, greater than. Which input type is used for password fields? Option A, less than input type equals text, greater than option B, less than input type equals password, greater than option C, less than input type equals hidden, greater than option D, less than input type equals secure, greater than. The correct option B, less than input type equals password, greater than. Which tag is used to group form elements? Option A, less than form greater than option B, less than field set greater than option C, less than legend greater than option D, less than group greater than. The correct option B, less than field set greater than. Which tag is used to add a caption in a table? Option A, less than t-head greater than option B, less than caption greater than option C, less than title greater than option D, less than label greater than. The correct option B, less than caption greater than. Which attribute specifies that input must be filled? Option A, validate option B, required option C, must option D, check. The correct option B, required. Which tag defines inline frames? Option A, less than iframe greater than option B, less than frame greater than option C, less than frame set greater than option D, less than window greater than. The correct option A, less than iframe greater than. Which tag is used to add a comment in HTML? Option A, comment option B, less than, comment, greater than option C, asterisk comment asterisk, option D, less than comment greater than. The correct option B, less than, comment, greater than. Which tag groups the visible content of a web page? Option A, less than meta greater than option B, less than head greater than option C, less than body greater than option D, less than header greater than. The correct option, B, less than head greater than. Which input type creates a checkbox? Option A, less than input type equals radio, greater than option B, less than input type equals checkbox, greater than option C, less than input type equals select, greater than option D, less than input type equals toggle, greater than. The correct option, B, less than input type equals checkbox, greater than. Which tag is used to define a division or section? Option A, less than section greater than option B, less than div greater than option C, less than article greater than option D, less than span greater than. The correct option, B, less than div greater than.